In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting in HubSpot. If you've created a booking link you no longer need, maybe you're retiring an event, switching calendars, or cleaning up old assets, removing it ensures people can't keep scheduling time on an outdated page. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to safely remove a meeting link from your HubSpot account. Start by opening your web browser, go to Google, type HubSpot, and click the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account. If your company uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Make sure you're logging into the right HubSpot account, especially if you manage more than one portal, so you don't remove the wrong meeting link. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and locate the Sales section. Hover to expand the menu, then open Meetings Scheduler. Depending on your layout, this may appear simply as Meetings. This area lists all the booking pages available to you, personal links you own, and, if you have access, any team links. If you don't immediately see the one you're looking for, use the search bar or sort by name or owner to narrow it down. Find the specific meeting you want to remove. Hover your mouse over that row to reveal additional controls, then click Actions on the right. From the drop-down, choose Delete. HubSpot will ask you to confirm so you don't remove something by mistake. Read the prompt carefully, because deleting a meeting link is permanent, and any public link to that page will stop accepting bookings. When you're sure, click Yes, Delete. The meeting will disappear from the list, and anyone who tries to visit the old link will no longer be able to schedule time. That's the full process. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the delete option isn't available, you may not be the owner of that meeting link, or you might need additional permissions from your admin. If you have multiple similarly named links, consider previewing the link from the Actions menu before deleting to confirm it's the right one. And if you plan to replace the link, it's best to create the new meeting link first and update any shared locations, like email signatures or website buttons, before you remove the old one, so there's no gap in scheduling availability. Once done, you're all set, and your HubSpot meetings list stays clean and current. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to retire an outdated booking link.